we'll guide you through how to create a Figma prototype. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go ahead and create a new design file by clicking on the plus icon or selecting Design from the menu. After your file is open, start by designing your frames. You can do this by choosing the Frame tool from the toolbar on the left side. It's the one that looks like a square with a line cutting through it. Click and drag on the canvas to create your frame, or choose a device preset from the right panel for ease. Next, you need to design the elements that will go into your frames. Use the tools on the left to add shapes, text, and images, arranging them the way you want your app or website to look. Once your design is ready, it's time to switch to prototype mode. Look at the top right corner and click on the Prototype tab. This changes your workspace to connect frames with interactions. To link elements, click on an element that you want to make interactive. Then drag the small circle with a plus sign that appears on the right side of it to the frame you want it to link to. This creates a connection line. You can then set the interaction details on the right panel, like what type of transition you want, such as on-click or on-hover, and choose how the transition will animate. You can preview your prototype by clicking the play button at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a new window where you can interact with your design as if it were a real app or website. Make sure you test all the interactions to ensure they work smoothly. Once everything is working to your satisfaction, share your prototype with others by clicking the Share button, copying the link, and sending it to your team or stakeholders for feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.